Alright everybody, your next process is to design the roads for your subdivision, and they're going to look something like this. So you can see we've got some additional lines drawn in here that represent our roads. If we XREF in our legal plan that we've already completed, we should have something that looks like this. So there's our original lots, and now we've got some new streets drawn on there. So what you want to do is make sure you've got your line weight button turned on so that you can show those property lines a little clearer. But we've got some existing property lines here. These lines represent our gutter lines. These are our medians, and we have some more gutter lines on the other side of the street. So the property line runs from one side of the street over here to the other side of where your lots have been created. So what we're going to need to do is create all our gutter lines, all our median lines, and determine what those radiuses are around all the different corners, because depending on different speeds that the cars are traveling at, the radiuses will differ to allow the car a safe turn. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take a look at where we're going to start. So you're going to have a brand new template that I've given you. You're going to create a new drawing called your ID number roads, and that template contains the existing roads that are already there, and we're going to have to design around the existing roads. So a good idea is to again XREF in your legal plan so that you can have some type of reference or base map for where you're working, right? And that's where our existing roads will sit currently. Now, where do we start drawing these roads? Well, before you begin, I would suggest reading through the document on D2L found under Content, Module 4 Roads and Sidewalks. Under ENGD 376 Module 4 Roads, I would suggest reading that PDF first. Then what we're going to need to do is figure out what type of road it is we're working with. So on our drawing, we're going to have to figure out how wide our right-of-way is from one property line to the other property line. We're going to have to figure out that distance because we've got a few different types of roads that designate our subdivision. Depending on the width, they will have different design speeds, which means they'll have to be designed differently. So we'll have to figure out through the City of Calgary subdivision servicing guidelines. What next we're going to need to do is open up the subdivision servicing through 2012 document and take a look in that. So continue on to part 2 to determine how to find things in the subdivision servicing guidelines and what information you'll need to know. Thanks.